sis, oh. Masarap na lang sila ng beach. Oh, yan yung ano yung sa meme! Oh my God! Saan? Yung meme yun! Yung kay Wednesday.
What is GTA?
Balik tayo! Joke lang. Chambe na lang. Chambe. Chambe? Chambe, chambe. Chambe, chambe. Chambe. Pinagagaya tata. Ladies and Gaput! Hindi ko na...
What is really?
Ay, ang ganda. Ayan.
This is where the aliens are.
Yan. Ano ba?
Oh no, this is.
Visit ka. Ayun, no? Ang ganda, be. Uutot na ako. Ano ba? Utot ka na? Hi guys. Hi guys. We're here. Almost there. Konti na lang. Konti. See you guys there. Boy. Cause you know I walk 1,000 miles. I could just see you tonight. Kita ko sa ganda. Oh, bitaw na ko ba? I love you so much. So much.
A few moments later.
I'm like. Picture with that durut. Ano? Ano ba talaga? Sabat. Hindi ko na alam. Picture with that durut. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oops, I did it again. And now we're starting again. It's not the easiest thing to do. Ba't ang hirap kami, oh? Di ba yung may ganun? Yung biglang gumaganon? May umaanga.
Sa Australia daw ang daming ahas sa toilet. Tapos
Be, yung alam ba yung Undin?
ano yun?
Yung Undin, yung horror movie sa Shake, Rattle, and Roll. Gumaganon, oh. Ay, cute! Hello! The view is viewing.
Char. Yung view ka ng...
The view. Oh my God, may dog. Akin na lang
Sabi
yung
yun?
dog. No.
Hindi.
Iba. Hello! Doggy! Hi! Dito tayo.
I gave you a whistle. I have not just...
Ay, may kain! Tae ka. Galit na galit. Eh kasi kakatay ko lang kanina. Kaya ako natagalan. Tumae pa.
At least hindi ka nagtae dito, diba?
Kasi nung umpisa, nung pagkagising ko, umuutot ako.
Meant to be, but kasi
Utot din ako nung doon. Hi! Hi! Say hi! Hi! Hello! Pakailanman! You know, Emily, I'm the goat.
Ay, sige nga.
Ay, asa si Jasmine? Picturean mo nga eh. Oy, photographer. Picture. Dito ka dito. Picture tayo doon. Imagine this is like a horror movie. No. Nasa horror movie ako. Magandang opportunity. Hi! Kita ka ba? Hindi ka kitty. Ayan, hi! Hello! Hello ako nga. Ay, ang ganda mo din. Against the light, madam. Yan, mas maganda po dyan. Oo. Main character? Ikaw. Hi. Side character na po. Hindi. Main ka din. First time. Solstice. No more.
Tree called the holly tree. Holly.
Prince Holly. Ako hindi makain. Ano na? Hindi rin makatulog. Ano yun? Nantay na koin. Kung ako'y maningiming, sana hindi maging katulad mo. Tulad mo na may pusong ano? Bato! Puro mga bato! Ay, nako. Birds of a feather, we knit together. I know.
Remember where I had to look at the map and say which way do we go?
Where these two trails meet.
So come and look at the map.
Can anyone see how much longer until we have until the falls?
Yes.
Can anyone read it? How much farther?
6 miles.
No. It's right there.
Oh.
Can you read it?
0.23.
0.23 miles left until we get to the waterfall.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all.
Saglit na lang.
Alright.
Saglit na lang.
This gentleman has said he would like to know where we are.
Oh my. Siya, si Jane. Ayun. I captured it. Mamma mia.
Andrew knows where he is.
Hoy! Dali! Uy! Dito ka!
I'm gonna be 17.
Nice to be out, right? It's nice to be out here and
It's better than lazing inside the house.
yeah, we were just talking better than video games.
Parang pinaparinggan mo ako niyo. Parang pinaparinggan mo ako.
Not do video games.
Paano?
I don't know what to do.
Let's see.
Where are we going? A fork in the road. See if you can figure out where the kitchen
Good night. Sorry.
But I don't need the rules.
Saan tayo?
The rules of the road don't apply to me.
Ang ganda din. It does. Let's go there. Let's go. Tara,
Come on, let's go.
Tara, let's. Yes naman. Sure ba naman ako? Ay, saan pa ba?
Ano muna tayo? Explore muna tayo.
I didn't know they had cones and oxidized.
Oh, damn.
There's no way. But we'll do that.
Dito natin waterfall. Di ba?
Pwede ba dito? Ang ganda mo. Oh, damn. Oh, wow.
Pwede ba tayo?
Can we go there? No.
Can we go there?
I think no. I don't know. Oh, there's a
Can't
kid.
pass the
Oh,
Hello.
gusto mo kumain na?
Yeah. Ata?
Uy, may horseshoe. We're here?
Oo nga to.
Mga horseshoe.
Nasaan ba sila?
Saan ba tayo pwede kumain?
Ewan ko rin eh.
Gusto mo na
Nasaan ba sila ano?
Kayo?
Saan ba sila Ate Hana? Ay, si Ate Hana. Si Ate, Ate.
Jasmine.
Oo.
Nag-i-explore lang ate. Dito na lang tayo.
Ganun tayo sa shake.
Nabibidyo.
Saan? Oo. Hi!
Hi. Video ba?
Oo, video.
culinary disaster.
We are going to eat na.
Yeah, it goes to
Yeah, sometime now. Yeah, so start eating because then we're gonna have groups go one by one up to the up to the mountain.
I have a backup. We got knocked down like should have 5 groups because of our shitty ass presentation.
Hi.
ASMR. Kain, kain. Up.
Time.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday, I almost threw up like 3 times. Where are we gonna take a holiday?
Uy, 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 nahulog. Ay, nahulog. Log, log.
Cambodia. Oh, people are dressed in black. Oh, they in Cambodia.
Eh, tapos na kami kumain. Tapos na? Tapos na?
Sarap.
Sarap, sarap ka. Thank you, Albertson.
Thank you.
The tree is tree.
Lahat na lang iying-iying.
The beauty is beautying. Yay.
Breathe it in.
Then walk back down.
Pota.
The space over here is really narrow, so just wait in there and then. That's all right,
La, huwag kang tatalon. Joke
Hindi
lang.
ako tatalon.
Ganyan sa mga ano, di ba? Mga nakaganon. Tapos tatalon sila.
Suicide, lima ang ganun.
Oo nga eh.
Is it only 3 at a time? Yan lang, tapos na. Picturean kita?
Ako?
Oo.
Good.
I saw it on the floor.
Di ba tayo nung dalawa?
Baka naunod sila.
Ayun.
Nandun sila.
Ooh. Yun na yung waterfall. Kala ko naman ano.
Ako malaki.
Ako, oo.
Oh my god, I have hiccups.
The easiest way is to go down here. Look right there and step on that rock and go across. No, real, right there. You step on that rock and go across. That's easy. That's much easier.
Yeah, that not feel safe, I'm gonna be honest.
Okay, guys. Wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down. So I don't get these waves. Cannonball!
Hello. Tawa ka ng binti. Hey.
Can I get by real quick?
Say hi.
Matthew.
Tula kita. Joke lang. Ano ba yung mga joke mong ano? Part of the world.
Can I see?
Under the sea. Under the sea. Darling is better. Down where's better. Take it from me. After the sun is out. Mga species dito yung bacteria. Ay, mo gusto doon?
You should stand there.
So, ba dito? Dito?
You should go on that one.
May ano na dito? Okay.
You'd have to come down from the other side. So go upward and then go down a little.
Epic boy. Video. Otek, ano yan? Kukunin na ng Lord. Bless you. Birds of a feather. Oh, yung ano? Pag lumapit yan sa akin.
You're checking your area. You're not getting up to leave until you check all around.
Birds of part of the world. Oo. Oh, wait. Ang cute eh.
Bubuha ni aso ko sa Philippines.
Yeah, let's move to make the dogs some room.
Yeah.
Go look at the dog.
Okay,
Tinitingnan ko. Kunyari, wala daw siya dito. Yay! Good job!
Natatakot.
Kunyari, wala lang. Ano wala dito? Gusto niya lang yung affection ng mami niya. Sorry. Takot eh. Wow, nice. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! O yan. Hi. Rihanna. Arsen! Oh my god!
Dude, oh my god.
Oh my god, dito magsarap mag-picture oh! What the hell? Uy, steep!
Right there?
Huh?
You see that rock there?
Yeah?
That weird rock that's like going out like that? Do you remember when we were down at below?
Yung dalawa.
So that's the rock.
Oh, that's so cool.
It's erosion. It's,
That looks like a... What?
Send me the pictures and I can see the
gay. I'm gonna show your mom so she can know how her son acts. I'm walking straight right now. You're walking crooked, bro. Look at you. I'm walking straight.
No, she said it. She said it. Because I was with Isa.
Oh, hiking.
Ang ganda.
No way, I'm gonna be the second who step on.
Hindi ba tayo mag-stop? Ang ganda picture. Ang picture dito. Dito ko sa sidewalk. Ang potek.
Bro, live messages for Dynasty.
Pwede ba momento muna tayo at mag-picture lang sa
Said,
gate?
but she said,
Wait, video mo. Picture? Hi guys. Welcome to Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Going back to our province. Ay, Baguio! Kaya nakakaya ka ganito, no? Tagaytay na!